doing better than me. Checking for extra chicken. What should we try next?
Frying fish is not my favorite thing to do. I don't mind prepping it, but when the oil starts flying everywhere, I'm out. This time my sister made the festival and I made the fish. She's all happy because she knows that she doesn't have to fry the fish. My dad always taught me not to fear anything but God and my mom. So I got this. I'm gonna work on the fish, Aria's gonna work on the festival, and I'm gonna do the escovitch sauce. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. They gotta learn how to make onions that don't burn my eyes. Alright, let's fry this fish. See, I told you the oil was gonna pop everywhere. I can't do it, mommy. Shout out to my sister for the encouragement. And shout out to this coat, cause I wasn't having it. See, I got it done. The fish was coming along, the festival was looking great, and I made it to the worst part. Now let's set this up and have a good time. So how did I do?